If your Android Auto refuses to work every time you start your Mustang, you're definitely not the only driver dealing with this headache. Let's break down why it happens and how to fix it. First, let's talk about the basics. Android Auto needs a strong connection between your phone and your Mustang system. The number one culprit? The USB cable. If it's old, cheap, or damaged, Android Auto just won't connect. Always use the original cable or one that's certified for data transfer. Up next, check your phone's software. Make sure your Android version and the Android Auto app are fully up to date. Sometimes, just restarting your phone can do the trick. If it's still not working, check your Mustang's infotainment system. Head to the settings and look for software updates for your car. Outdated systems can cause all kinds of weird glitches. Don't forget your phone settings. Go into your Bluetooth and USB settings and make sure Android Auto is allowed to connect. On some phones, you need to give permission every time. And if you're using wireless Android Auto, remember, both your phone and car need to support it, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth must be on. If you've tried all these steps and Android Auto is still not working in your Mustang, it might be time to visit your dealership for a quick checkup. So there you go. With a few simple fixes, you'll be back to cruising with your favorite apps in no time.